So, gonna learn about some history. So, ito yung sinasabi dun sa history. It's an old Spanish bridge. Sige, kayo muna! Kakonect siya sa beach. Grabe. This is history, guys. Wow.
Yeah, you can go up there and you can take a panoramic view. Yeah, but the sun is in the wrong position. Usually when the sun in the morning, you see the turquoise, the blue. These are monkey
So,
pods.
kita nyo yan?
These are the biggest.
Itong bay na to is where Ferdinand Magellan landed in Guam. Yeah, that's where it happened. Now you know.
March 6, 1521.
So, yan, narinig nyo. Yan yung date na nagland si Magellan dito. Dito mismo. Kaya pa natin i-zoom. Let's try to zoom it. Over there. So, if you get lost sa sea, dahil yung current on lakas. Kapag hindi naka-engine, you will drift all the way to the Philippines. Totoo yan. Fun fact.
If ever you go to Guam, I highly recommend that you go to this area. Sobrang ganda. And the view is amazing. It's different. So please go to Fort Soledad, guys. And you will see a lot here. Like, you will see Magellan Monument. Ayan, dyan si Magellan Monument. Doon area. And then the church. And more. Sobrang ganda dito. And now we're gonna head back to the car. I'm super grateful na ang ganda ng weather kasi before coming here, sinabi sa amin na it might be rainy. Pero nag-pray talaga, oh Lord, minsan lang kami pupunta ng Guam. And syempre iba talaga pag may araw, 'di ba? You will really see how beautiful Guam is. But despite of everything, sobrang ganda talaga. I'm enjoying, and even the baby, Izzy has been running around. Grabe. Oh, there's a coconut hut. Mami Linda's just chilling there, nagpapahangin. Ang ganda-ganda dito. Say, do you want coconut? May sariling lyrics.
Remember the pier, the Pantalan? There's restroom there. The Pantalan.
Kaya mo pa?
Look at that.
Right. Ito yung bell tower na meron dito. All original. Okay. Kung nakikita niyo yung gulo dito, para siyang Changi. Ito yung Chamorro Village, kung saan nandito yung mga kainan ng lahat. At pag sinabi mo lahat, lahat talaga. O, tingnan nyo. Ang saya kasi parang dito, parang ang daming pwedeng kainin at hindi mo alam din kung ano ang kakainin mo. Yun ang malupit. Anyways, saya. Parang okay makakita ng ganito. May climbing wall pa. Bakit may mga nakapila dito? Oh my gosh. O, tingnan yung pilang to. Nakapila silang lahat para sa barbecue. Kung saan may ganyan naman tayo sa Pilipinas. Grabe oh, iba oh. Oh, chicken inasal. Tapos may ganyan sila. Patok. Yung mga Pilipino, magagaling kayo dito. Ang lulupet. Wow, that looks good. May pansit, may pusit, may sausage. Iba-ibang klase. Oh. Mukhang Pilipino lahat, oh. Galing, ha? Wow, ihaw. Yan ang ihaw. Get the feel of, you know, pagka-village, getting together, kahit ano yung race mo, kung ano lahi mo. Ito, wow. Silence Club. Still have your lobster?
We're out of lobster.
Out of lobster. What kind of shrimp is this?
It's the giant.
King? Prawn?
Tiger.
Tiger prawns? And then it's steamed.
No, it's stir fry. Stir fry.
Stir fry with noodles? Ah, okay. Thank you. That looks good. Lalo pagkain nila dito, oh. Yan. May talaba, oyster, iba-ibang klase. Woo! Medyo nakatimat ako dun, ah. Okay, balik na tayo kay Mami. Bumibili sila ng barbecue and it's nice to see this Sachamoto village. Super saya dito. Kasi mukhang hindi naman siya mahal. Pero panalo mga pagkain dito. So sa mga taga-Pilipinas, gusto yung makaranas sa Pilipinas sa ibang bansa, dito yon. Pumunta kayo dito sa Guam. Panalo. Oh no! Oh no! Good for him. Let's go to the toys. Grabe yung donkey. What's that, Easy? Kamote.